Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you why your account was deactivated on Wise. So make sure you watch till the very end because there might be a couple of reasons. So if they think that it's a duplicate of another account, because let's say you created one with like the exact name and then you put in like the same bank account details into the other one, and if they can track it, then they'll be like, oh, it's just a duplicate, so they'll close the second one. And then if the security has been compromised, maybe you logged into it from somewhere and you couldn't verify it for some reason, so they might choose to close it for that reason. And also there are transactions that they can't complete basically, so it could be like pending payments. So now what you can do basically is go over to their customer support basically, and then let them know that, hey, I did no issues, like I did nothing wrong, but my account was deactivated. What should I do? Like head over to help center and then say account deactivated, and from there contact like a health customer support guy, and then they'll guide you through. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.